In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a file's changes only after approval in Google Drive. If you share a Google Doc, sheet, or slide by publishing it to the web, you might not want every tiny edit to appear instantly. The setting will adjust keeps your public version frozen until you deliberately release updates, which makes it perfect for review and approval workflows. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Drive, then head to the Drive homepage. If you are asked to sign in, enter your account details and continue to your Drive. Using the correct account is important if you work across personal and work profiles. Next, open the file you plan to share publicly. This can be a Google Doc, sheet, or slide. Make sure it's the version you want to control, since we'll be changing how its published copy behaves. Inside the document, go to the menu bar and choose File. From there, select Share, and then click Publish to the web. This option is different from the regular Share button in the top right. Share controls who can collaborate in the editor. Publish to the web creates a separate, view-only web page or embed that anyone can access, even without a Google account. When the Publish to the web window opens, look for Published Content and Settings and expand it. Here's the key control. Uncheck the box labeled Automatically Republish when changes are made. With that box unchecked, the version that's already published stays exactly as it is, even if you keep editing in the editor. Your draft changes won't appear on the public link until you intentionally publish updates again. Think of it as a holding area for edits, so you have time to gather feedback, run approvals, and finalize your work before anything goes live. This simple adjustment helps teams avoid accidental releases and gives you a predictable cadence for updates. It pairs well with using comments or suggesting mode for review, and it reduces the risk of an unfinished change slipping onto your website or intranet. That's it. You've set your published file to update only when you choose, not automatically. Use this whenever accuracy and timing matter, and enjoy the peace of mind that your audience sees only the approved version. If you already have the content embedded on a website, that embed will mirror the published version and will wait for your manual update too. And if your process changes later, you can always return to this same window and recheck the box to resume automatic updates. The setting is per file, so repeat it on any document you publish.